Hi guys, welcome to our channel, It's My Life Philippines. It's Saturday morning. I'm here in my home and later I will travel in my province in Bicol. And whole day I will travel in the bus with aircon. And also I cannot see you for 1 week in walking street, and I'm not in video for 1 week, but I will take some video in our province so that you know what and where they living and how they living there. And also thank you for your donation to our subscriber named Anthony Bailey for 2 weeks. He give us donation, and also Herman Hutton. It's only last night he gave a donation. Thank you guys. See you in 2 weeks. Amat. Hi guys.
Today I put Shaira will use cameras. You will always take video, Shaira, in province.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah. From aircon.
I not use aircon now. So your family going to province.
I will use this one right now or later.
Well, up to you. You can anytime you can use Shaira. You know how to use.
That's okay.
Okay, sit down in the car. It's okay. You can go inside. Traffic near Dao. We're going to the bus station right now. Shaira, you okay?
Not really.
Not really? So you need to drink maybe medicine. So we're going to General Mall first.
Yes, we're going to General Mall to take something inside the stall. And after that, we're going to bus station already.
Okay.
Hindi siya ma. Ang oras ba nagbubukas ng Genra? Bukas mo. Ano yun ba nakabukas?
So many motors parking in General Mall. She will take children. It's Pamela, Dota. Shaira, you can use camera sometimes. Saturday I think in General Mall so many people because it's cheapest store in the Mabalacat, maybe General Mall. What do you think, Shaira?
Yes. Yes.
Because I checked before, price little bit less price, maybe 5 peso. Okay, I will wait in the parking. You use camera also. What you, Shaira, bought?
Kimbap and Japanese sushi.
Sushi, Japanese sushi. How much?
118.
But you use camera or not?
Yes, I use
Yes, you start, Shaira, you need to know. You already blogger. Shaira blogger. Blogger going to what province again? Forgot. Bicol province.
My mom.
Pamela, please say also to Shaira, take video because sometimes she forgot.
We're going to take video always.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, let's go to Dao bus terminal.
Soda. Ayaw mo na donut. Ay, nako. just only here inside.
Yan, drop. Drop and go.
I bike like this.
Kaya inside na yan, no? Yan, no? Punta ka doon ng side. Itong side na to sa'yo. Side doon, no? Side. The front. Yan, no? Yan, no? Yan, no? Yan, no?
Ah, in the front here. You can park here.
But so what?
It's okay.
Ngayon ka dyan, yung may tumangutang yan. Tapos bang malita mo ang bababa.
Okay. Let's sit first because my mom will gonna ask first.